Hi everyone. First of all, thanks for everyone because each and everyone are watching my videos and get some knowledge towards Cognizant. I'm very happy towards that. I got a lot of comments towards queries, but I'm not getting that much of time to make a video, to make changes to the video and uploading. So now I will pick up some of the topics which I got comment in the comments. For one is how to apply for leaves, and the other one is how to raise a request for software and hardware assets. And another one is how to find the project details. We need to find the project details first of all, because whatever the thing that we are doing for applying leaves, as well as raising request for software and hardware, we need to know our project details first of all. So let's find out first of all our project details. Guys, pause a video and make a like towards my video, because I'm not getting that it is useful for each and everyone or not. So make a like. More than that I can't expect from anyone. Okay. Okay, just to open one Cognizant with your credentials. Okay. And I think here you can find view assignments. Okay, it have total data towards your project ID, project name, date of project assigning, and until the project was, and whether the project was billable or not, and your role, as well as your manager ID, your manager name, all the stuff that you have in. Okay, view assignments application. So let's find here project ID, project name, start date, end date, percentage, billable role, manager ID. Okay, manager ID, manager name, as well as status, which means it is a current project which was assigned to me, and the manager was some name, because I don't want to reveal all my details. It's confidential towards each and every company. So it's taking a lot of time for me to upload the video. Okay, after finding your project details, okay, next we will go for the next topic, which is how to apply for the leave. For each and everything that we have the application in one Cognizant. So don't fear about while you are doing at the first time. At the first time, I'm also somewhat fear about all the things, how to make, how to do all those things. After that, it's somewhat normal. So don't no need to worry. Okay, just search leave. Okay, in the search bar, you will get a lot of applications as well as the services. Just click apply leave. Okay, the information what I know I will explain towards you. More than that I can't. Okay, let's see here leave policy. If you anyone want to learn all the what type of policies, as well as what are the reimbursements, as well as night shift allowances, you can learn there. Okay, and holiday schedule. Okay, it will show you that a clear chart that towards which location what are the national holidays as well as religion holidays. I think it's somewhat clear for you. If it is not clear, just go towards in your Cognizant portal. Okay, these are all the holidays list. Okay, and the date as well as the locations. It will show you that RH means regional holiday, as well as NH means national holiday. I'm from Hyderabad location, so RH as well as the NH, and white spaces, which means there is no holiday for that location. Okay, I think it was clear for you all. Okay, okay, here in apply leave we need to select from which date to which date that we need the leave. Let's take today date 9/24 as well as 2021, and the end date I will keep 2 days. Okay, I will keep 2 days for leave. Just I'm showing you, I'm not apply for any leave. Okay, after clicking the OK button, okay, you will see for what that you are taking the leave. let's click the drop down list. It will show you that how many holidays, I mean, you can make the leaves. Okay, basically I don't know what type of leaves all those are. Just I have used recently casual leaves. Okay, there are casual leaves, earned leaves, and sick leaves. Somewhat regarding to options from, okay, work. Maybe due to corona they have provided some holidays if anyone has suffered with covid. Okay, and child adoption leave for men. These are the all type of leaves as per your availability. I mean, I have 4 casual leaves, which means 4 days I can take leave. Any day leaves I have 13, so I can take 13 days of leave. Like this you can select from for what that you need take the leave. Okay, I am selecting the casual leave. Okay, it will show you that you need a half day or a full day. Towards this I too don't know, guys. Okay, it's showing the current balance was 4. If I select this one, means I think 4.4 start already and always. I too don't know more about this, so I'm skipping that. And the balance was 4 days. If I'm using one day, it will go towards 3. And you need to write for what reason, I mean for what purpose that you are taking. It is also mandatory because whoever the project managers that you have assigned, they will verify that for what that you are taking the leave, and you need to submit. I think these leaves will I mean approve automatically, but try to inform towards your manager while taking the leaves. It is somewhat better. Okay, and the next topic is rising request for software and hardware. The people that who have joined recently, all I got some comments that how to raise a request for laptop as well as desktop, whatever the hs told to you at the time of onboarding. So go towards like that. For each and every software request we need to go towards one IT. Okay, search one IT in the search bar. Okay, here request hardware and software. Okay, let's click on that. Okay. Don't forget to like my video, guys, because even I don't have time, but I'm making videos because need to help the new joiners. So okay, as per your request, if you want a laptop, so search for laptop. Okay, it will show you the all the I mean stuff towards the laptop battery replacement, laptop power adapter, laptop RAM with 16 GB, 4 GB or 8 GB. But try, okay, whatever the laptop that I got means a Cognizant laptop, I think. Okay, here that you have the, okay, Cognizant laptop. So here just click on rise request. Here that we need the project details, because whoever the manager for our project, he will I mean accept our request. Okay, okay, here my project name is this. If your project name was somewhat, just click on other projects and type your project ID, whatever that you have shown previously, and select your project. And here, okay, product category, whatever the laptop I need, laptop or Mac or iPad. Okay, asset delivery options. Okay, here collect the asset from office or ship the device, which means whoever are near to the location, you can take the asset from the office, which means it will take a lot of time to reach your location. So if it is near to you, just click the collect the asset from the office. If not, ship the device. Okay, and the product. Okay, it will define that Cognizant standard laptop and Cognizant standard laptop replacement for out of warranty laptop. These are the options that who are, I mean, raising a request for the laptop first time. Just click Cognizant standard laptop. If anyone or need to replace with the desktops, then you can go towards replacement for work from home desktop. Okay, and image type is Cognizant, no need to touch anything. And at here just click enter the purpose, for what purpose that you are raising a request for the laptop. For the new joiners, just type as okay, campus on hire. Okay, campus on hire means, which means the new joiners will prefer like this. I don't know why we keep the option like that, but previously we have made like that. And if anyone need to raise a request for any of this software, okay, okay, just like that only, click on raise a request, and whatever the software that you want, just type here. If I want Visual Studio, it is on a software, just click on that, and whatever the process for the laptop, just we need to raise a request. The 180 team will get in touch with us, and they will install. If there are any softwares, or I mean, or maybe are able to install, okay, self installation was possible, then we can install automatically. If not, the 180 team, we need the credentials to install each and every software. From 180 team, they will come towards contact with us and they will install. There is no need to worry. And this is the thing. And is there any questions I got regarding to some internships? I got some comments towards so I try to make a video towards that internship. If anyone are interested to make a video towards our internship, make a comment as interested. Okay, and thanks for your time, guys. I think the explanation somewhat not clear, but try to understand. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.